Hi, are you looking for a complete web development course? Well, this course will take you step by step from no coding experience whatsoever to becoming a professional web developer. My name is Zakir. Most of the people might be already knowing me, so I am going to be your instructor for this whole course. We will start with the basic languages that you need for web development, that is HTML. And then we move on and learn how to make our web application more stylish with the help of CSS. After this, we will move on to the JavaScript programming language that will help us to add more motions to our web page. Then we will discuss about jQuery and Bootstrap, which will help us to create more complex web applications. After this, we will move on to React.js, and once we have done with the front-end part, we will move on and have a look at Node.js. This course is going to be highly practical, and at the end of each lecture, there will be a short quiz session that will help you to revise what you have learned. So if you want to become a full-stack web developer, then stay connected with us and subscribe our channel so you will get notified whenever we upload any new video. See you in the course. Till then, thank you and bye-bye.